Simple salmon fry.
150 grams salmon steak. Marinate with salt and pepper and 1 teaspoon soy sauce. Keep it 5 minutes. 1 tablespoon cornflour, half teaspoon soy sauce, vinegar, white vinegar, pinch of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon red chilli, 2 tablespoon water. Make a smooth batter like this. One tablespoon white oil.
Dip the marinated fish in the slurry. Fry one side for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, turn the side. Put little slurry on top. The gas will be on sim. Let it cook for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes this side,
Turn it.
2 minutes this side. Done.